I'm doing a bike check. Oh yeah, my name is Jacob.
My name is Julian.
I'm doing a bike check. I mean, it's a mongoose.
Yeah, it's a mongoose, but
It's
you know, it's not the best bike, but
It's still, like if you're getting a mongoose, like if you don't BMX and you're gonna get a mongoose,
this is broken grip.
I recommend this one. It's pretty good. Spray painted it though. All right, so started off, I got mongoose bars. They suck balls because they're short. And then I got Haro grips. Got them for Christmas like 2 years ago.
Ripped and everything.
Yeah, get little bar ends. I got this is my sprocket and chain. See, kind of loose. It's kind of loud. Gonna break my pedals on. So yeah, I mean it's pretty good for mongoose.
Sprocket.
And then I got seat. Pretty good seat. It's nice leather and soft. And then I got big fat tires. I don't know what they are though. And then I got a mongoose back hub. I got mongoose front hub, mongoose forks, mongoose frame, mongoose front overload stem. Pretty good stem. Survived me a long time. Hasn't gotten loose or anything. Pretty good. I got these are let me ask him. These are what are they? They're well, I got them from my cousin. He had a Specialized bike, so I think they're Specialized pedals. Maybe, I don't know.
Pretty nice, pretty good.
Yeah, survived me a long time. I recommend them. I got mongoose cranks. Unfortunately, they fitted. And oh yeah, I got my bracelets. So yeah, that's my. Oh yeah, I took the brakes off.
Yeah, that's the bike right there.
Come here. If you take the brakes off before you ride it, or else it'll get like that.
Yeah.
So take the brakes off before you ride it. And now we're gonna do Julian's bike. So
Yeah.
I'll hold the camera.
And that'll be second part, so peace out.
Am I gonna hold